Live from the world's capital markets, here are the latest financial headlines brought to you by News Factory.
Hello and welcome to our daily financial outlook. Stay with us for more market headlines.
The gold-dollar pair dove 2.6% in the last session. According to the stochastic RSI, we are in an oversold market. The euro-dollar pair dropped 0.4% in the last session. The MACD's negative signal is in line with the overall technical analysis. The last session saw the pound drop 0.8% against the dollar. The Williams indicator indicates an oversold market. The Aussie-dollar pair dove 1% in the last session. The ROC is giving a negative signal.
Coming up, our chief analyst's choices for today.
World stocks fell towards fresh 2022 lows, and the Japanese yen slid to levels not seen in nearly a quarter of a century, as red-hot US inflation fueled worries about even more aggressive policy tightening in a big week for central banks. Bitcoin and other cryptocurrencies were collapsing in price after a major crypto lender halted all withdrawals, citing extreme market conditions. It is the second collapse of a part of the cryptocurrency world in the last 2 months. Truck drivers striking in South Korea are causing supply chain issues for major car makers. Hankook Tire and Technology, a large global tire brand, is a key supplier for car makers such as Mercedes-Benz and Volkswagen. The company has seen daily shipments fall by about 50%.
Those were today's major economic events, and now moving on to world financial headlines.
The Eurozone's ZEW survey, Economic Sentiment, will be released at 0900 hours GMT. The US Producer Price Index at 12:30 GMT. Japan's industrial production at 0430 GMT. The UK's claimant count change will be released at 0600 hours GMT. The UK's ILO unemployment rate at 0600 hours GMT. Japan's capacity utilization at 0430 GMT.
We hope that you've enjoyed Tuesday's financial report. On behalf of all of us here, we wish you a productive trading day. Be sure to join us tomorrow morning for the latest news and events from the financial markets.